Hi everyone, I'm back. It's Ivy Creates once again, and for today's video, this is part 3 of the baby album, and I'm going to show you how I did the pages of this book. Actually, just one of the pages, which is the last page. I'm going to show you how I did this specific page, like this one right here, this one. Yeah, so stay tuned. So this is the size of our page. We have 8 inches and 7.5 inches, and this will be the design of the inside of this page. So this one will go, you can open it to the left and right, and then I have a cross-sectional, if I call it that way. So this is my blank page, and I'll be using the folders. Like I said, I already finished the album, and I'm just showing you one page that I'm working on right now, which is the last page. So I got my folder and then measured 8 by 7.5, and I have 2 of them like that. So actually I cut some spaces here. As you can see, it's not exactly 8 inches by 7.5, so I can have room, because I'm still gonna fold this such that it will flip open like a flap. So this folder already has a crease, so I'm doing that one. But if it's without a crease, you can do 1/4 of an inch for that. So this I'm going to crease, or to score it 1/4 of an inch, and then crease. So this way we have flaps left and right. So I want to overlap left over right, like that. So we're gonna set that aside, and then we are going to do our cross-sectional, however you call it. So here I think I measured 4 inches by 4 inches, like that, and then this will be our measurement for each of the boxes. So in total, I am going to make 5 of these, the same size, and then 4 of these squares will have a fold or a crease just on one side, so it will attach the center of the squares, the center squares. So later it will make sense to you. So here I just got the bulging fold of the folder, and then like I said, there's already a crease on one side of the folder, so I can just easily fold that. And then I just took the measurement and score all 4 squares, and this will be attached to the center square, and so it will look like that. Alright, so we have this 4 corners, and then we are going to add one in the middle. So same, I will have 4 by 4 as well. So 4 by 4 inches, okay? Alright, so let's just do that one. And then we just have to make sure that we get the correct measurement, so that everything will be, they're same level. Alright, so this will be the center, and it will go like this. So the flap, you are going to glue it on just one side of the center square, like that. So make sure it's straight, and then you can have like the first opening. So you just want to make sure that everything is of the same size, so you can make your adjustments too. Alright, so do the same thing for the other 3 on the remaining corners of the square, or remaining sides, like that, and then just make it even. Okay, and then the other one, like that. Almost done. And then watch out for part 4 of this video, where I'm going to tour you from the front page to the back page of the portfolio or folio or baby album. Alright, so It took me 1 week to complete everything, and that's like every day during my spare time, like that. So just making sure everything is even. All right, so there, that's the center. So we have, it will go like this. So you're gonna glue it on the page, and then open left, open right, and then I'm gonna put the pocket as well on both of the flaps. So here I have this. Okay. Alright, so for the pocket, the principle would be the same as how we attach the corners of the square, but we will have 2 folds, both left and right. So that would be, oh, actually 3 folds, 1 in the bottom. Of course, we are going to leave the other, the top one open. So there's already a crease on one of the sides of the folder, so that would be my bottom crease. And then we are going to score left and right 1/4 of an inch. So if you are making pockets, the principle will be the same. Then you're just going to cut the edge so no overlapping will happen here, or to get rid of excess bulk, and then the pocket will look like that. Okay, so you only glue the folds. Alright, so the same thing, cut the edge to avoid bulk or minimize bulk, and then like that. And of course, before we glue everything, we are going to cover this pages. So it'll go like this, open left, open right, and then you are going to open the center folds, just like that. So we're just gonna cover the left and right flaps, and there you go. So boom, there. Next is we are going to cover the pockets, and then I use this scissors with design. Okay, so like I said, cover first before you glue the pocket, because it will be easier for you. And then you are just going to glue the folds, so that will have like you know, it will protrude, so you can insert something there, photo or letters or whatever document you want to put there. So we're going to cover this one too, like that. So this is how I covered it. So there's like an extra paper there, so you just include the folds, you know, so the edge would look clean, nice and clean, like that. And then you're just gonna glue that one. The other one, just because I don't have extra you know, paper, so I think I didn't do the sides there, but this one looks better like that. So left and right. Okay, and then I also covered the center fold. So there, everything looks great, and so I'm going to put it on the specific page I wanted to. Like I said, this is the last page, so I am going to glue the back part of the 4 folds first. There, centered. Okay, and there you go. And then we are going to put the right flap like that, and then just press it, make sure it will really be glued on that page. So like I said, the principle will be the same, however you want the design to be. The folding technique is like that. So there, and then there you go, just making it, letting it dry, and then I'm going to put a little card there for the month number, like that. Okay, so only halfway, because of course we want to open it like that. And you can put inserts on the pockets as well. So up to you, what do you want to put there the openings. So there you have it, guys. That's part 3, just how I did the pages. And like I said, please watch out for part 4. And I'm going to tour you of the baby folio or baby album from front page to the back. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps. If you do have questions, please leave your comments down below, and I will answer you as much as I can. Thank you, and God bless everyone. Thanks for watching.